Hi, I'm Elisa, and I'm going to teach you how to categorize a transaction in Thrive. After you log in, click on the Spending tab. You'll notice that most of your transactions will be auto-categorized by Thrive. If something doesn't have a category, there are two easy options for you to tell Thrive where your transaction belongs. Option 1, selecting a category from a list. Last weekend, I went shopping and bought some books at Koa's bookstore. I select that transaction by clicking on it. To give it a category, I click on the down arrow. This opens the drop-down menu. Then I find shopping, and look, there's music, books, and DVDs. I'll click on that to select it, and voila, I've categorized the books I purchased last weekend. Option 2, selecting a category through autocomplete. While I was out shopping, I stopped for coffee at my favorite place, The Bean. I already know that this should be categorized as coffee, so instead of opening up the drop-down menu, I click on the category, and I start typing coffee, C-O, and there it is. Thrive searches through all of the categories to find a match. Now I can press enter on the keyboard to save my change. And that's it. 2 easy ways to categorize a transaction in Thrive. Thanks for watching.